Hello, Campbell River. Robert Nixon here with your December 2024 market update. This month, the real estate market has significant shifts, and I'm here to break it all down for you, whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping tabs on the market. We'll dive deep into the numbers, trends, and what they mean for you. If you're looking for the latest on Campbell River real estate, whether you're actively in the market or just planning ahead, you're in the right place. Reach out by subscribing to my channel below, booking an appointment, or giving me a call, or shooting me an email. I'm here to help you navigate the Campbell River and Vancouver Island real estate markets with you. Single-family homes. Let's start with single-family homes, which remain in the cornerstone of our market. These single-family homes' average price is $740,000, down $49,000 from last month. Inventory, 3.1 months, which is a seller's market. Days on market is a whopping 71 days. Year-over-year growth, prices are up $28,000, an increase of 3.97%, almost 4%. This price dip may raise eyebrows, but it's important to look at the bigger picture. Year-over-year single-family homes still up nearly 4%, which shows strong, steady demand. Inventory remains tight at 3.19 months, keeping this segment firmly in a seller's market. Why does this matter? For sellers, this means you still have leverage. If you're considering listing, now is the time to start preparing your home to maximize your return. Buyers, on the other hand, need to stay sharp. Well, the days on market average is 71 days. Well-priced homes can move quickly, that's for sure. Having a clear plan and pre-approval in place can give you an edge. Always got to have a pre-approval, 100%. Next, let's take a closer look at condos, a segment that is softened but still offers interesting opportunities. The average price is $424,000, which is down $48,000 from last month. The inventory is 3.7 months, still in a seller's market. Days on market is 64 days, and the year-over-year growth, prices are up $26,000, an increase of 6.24%. Despite the monthly drop in prices, condos have seen over 6% growth compared to last year. That's not bad, reflecting long-term demand. Inventory is at 3.7 months, and the average days on market of 64 suggests that competitively priced listings are still drawing attention. Who should act? Buyers, if you've been waiting for the right moment, this could be it. The price dip creates room for negotiation. But don't delay, condos are still selling quickly. Sellers, focus on presentation and pricing to stand out in a competitive market. Definitely always want to stand out in the market, but competitive market even more. Now on to townhouses, which are shining bright. This month, average price $595,000, up $32,000 from last month, and the inventory is at 4.7 months, a balanced market. Days on market is 60 days. The year-over-year growth, his prices are up by $45,000, an increase of 8.56%. Townhouses have emerged as a strong performer with an impressive year-over-year growth rate of over 8%. Not bad. The inventory at 4.7 months places this market in balanced territory, giving both buyers and sellers a fair playing field. What does this mean for you? For sellers, lots of new builds out there. The price increase and reduced competition makes this a great time to list. Buyers with a balanced market and slightly longer days on market, you have the opportunity to shop thoughtfully and negotiate a deal that works for you. Now that we've covered the numbers, let's zoom out and talk about broader trends shaping our market. Shifts in inventory. Single-family homes, they have a tight 3.1 months of inventory, which is typical for a seller's market, but indicates the supply isn't keeping up with demand. Condos with 3.7 months of inventory, so there's a slightly better supply for buyers, but it's still tight overall. Townhouses with 4.7 months are right in the middle, giving both buyers and sellers room to operate strategically. Seasonal factors. December is traditionally a slower month for real estate, but savvy buyers and sellers know this can work to their advantage. For buyers, there's often less competition. For sellers, serious buyers are more likely to be actively looking during this time. The year-over-year growth across all segments. Year-over-year growth has been strong. Single-family homes, they are up 3.97%. Condos up 6.24%. And townhouses up 8.4%. 8.56%. 8.56%. These increases show the resilience of the market in Campbell River and highlight real estate as a reliable long-term investment. What's next? Heading into 2025, we may see shifts depending on interest rates, inventory changes, and buyer demand. If you're planning a move, now is the time to consult with an expert and create a strategy tailored to your goals. Thanks for joining me on this month's market update. Whether you're thinking of buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, or the eye on trends, staying informed is the key to success. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below or reach out to me directly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this update with anyone who might find it helpful. As we move into the new year, it's a perfect time to reflect on your goals and start planning your next steps in real estate. I'll see you in the next update with more insights on the Campbell River market. Bye.